What's up guys, I'm installing these frame guards. I took out the bike 2 times and you can see how the frame is rubbing. Actually the boot is rubbing on the frame here. So this is a must to protect the frame. And it's fairly simple to do, so let's jump into it. Alright, let's see what we have here. And of course, as usual, I'm gonna have the link in the description. Please use that to help out the channel. Let's see what this puppy says. And it says it's for the KXF, but it'll fit on this bike as well. And I'm gonna start with the easy side. It's gonna be this one. Just need one screw, a washer, and the zip tie. And then you got 2 of these plastic thingies. You're gonna go with a small one. So this plastic guy is gonna go here. This part is gonna go behind the subframe here. Then you stick in the bolt. And now I'm just gonna zap it down. Time for the zip tie. And you can see I tucked the head of the zip tie in there so it's not visible. Alrighty, now moving to the other side. Like I said, this is more challenging. Nothing really that hard though. You just have to remove this bolt to flap down the brake levers so you can install the plastic thing in there and screw the bolt. Okay, we got this washer. It goes in between back here. So we're gonna keep that in mind so we don't forget about it. Okay, time for our plastic thingy. Goes here. And another good benefit of this is it protects the rear master cylinder. Because what good is it if you're out in the woods and you whack the bike, that thing breaks. That's it, you lose your rear brake. That's gonna be no fun. Okay, now there's 2 zip tie points. One is gonna be here. You can see this groove. And the other one up here, obviously, just like the other side. And now, of course, we're gonna tighten this and put the washer back where it belongs. I'm also gonna put a little grease here because this is a pivot point. And you can see there's an O-ring to keep the grease inside and the water out. Yeah. Also, a little detail that I didn't mention before is the zip tie that goes down here. I put the head all the way in here so it doesn't hit on this weld when the swing arm moves up and down, so it doesn't hit on it. That's tucked away in there. Okay, and there you have it, guys. It's fairly simple to do and it's a low budget, big improvement. In person it looks a lot better than it does on camera. And I like the detail of this. You can still see here the fluid level. They made a nice cutout. Over here they made a nice cutout for these bolts. And yeah, it looks really nice. Acerbis makes some good plastic stuff. Just like these hand guards, looking good.
I look real good today.
So that's gonna be it. I still have the radiator braces to do. Today I also ordered a fan for the bike. So I'm probably gonna do the fan first. Not probably, I am gonna do the fan first. And then the braces, only makes sense. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video.